I saw that.
Next up is Nancy Alspa Jackson, and she is the woman of the night, the executive director of ACT Today. It is a pleasure to meet you.
It's so nice to be here, and thank you for being here to spread the word about the need for treatment and effective care for children with autism around the country, which is what ACT Today does, Autism Care and Treatment Today. In this great event, we're honoring two of the most amazing men on the planet, Mr. Joe Mantegna, the great actor who has a daughter with autism, and Mr. Steve Malden, who also has a daughter with autism. More importantly, they are huge advocates in the community. Steve Malden puts on Stephanie's Day every year, a resource fair. Joe has done so much for our military families with autism. He's been one of our spokespeople for that. And it's just a very important night when people realize they have to give back and help the hundreds of thousands of children suffering with autism today. It's not just not about the future. We got to help them now.
Oh, so well stated. You are a beautiful woman, both inside and out, and thank you for all you do.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you for being here.